many citizens were not allowed to enter the Supreme Court. So why is Gbajabiamila, Ribadu, and all of that in the Supreme Court? Are some citizens more than other citizens? If there's any place in Nigeria where the executive should not have any power whatsoever to try to flaunt their power, whatever, it should be in the courts, most especially the Supreme Court. If you are not allowing other citizens to enter, why then do APC have a lot of their members in there? What is the National Security Advisor doing there? Is it to go and intimidate the judges? What is he doing there? Insecurity, it's all over the place. The so-called national security advisor of this illegitimate government, insecurity is all over the place. People are being killed, people are being kidnapped, and then they're there. He's there laughing because, oh, of course, what is important to APC is always the votes and never the lives of the people. This is absolutely not acceptable. If you say seats are full, people come in on first come first serve basis, and seats are full, people are not allowed in there. That's a different case. But for you to sit down and say, oh, only the councils and co we go in, and the people who have the cases, of course, will go in, and then you stop other citizens from going in, and then the executive are packing themselves this illegitimate government, packing themselves to be there. That's not acceptable at all in any way whatsoever. Honestly, we must have rule of law in this country. The Supreme Court must apply the rule of law. Everybody is equal before the law. So there's no way you will stop some people from going in there, and then Nuhu Ribadu is there. Femi Gbajabiamila, I always don't know how to pronounce his surname. He's also there. All sorts of APC members are there. Doing what also? If you're going to stop people from entry, stop everybody from entry. And by the way, you don't even have any business in stopping anybody from entry. The court, yes, there is independence from the executive. The judiciary, it's not accountable to the executive. It's not accountable to the legislative, but it's accountable to the process of transparency and accountability and rule of law also. So why are you denying people from entering at the Supreme Court? The judges don't own the Supreme Court. It's the nation owns the Supreme Court. So all of these things, what are they afraid of? What is it that they don't want to be seen?